Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing great today. In my today's video, I'm going to talk to you about a company called Inflame Appliances Limited. So they are India's largest OEM manufacturer of kitchen appliances in India, and they mainly specializes in electrical chimneys. So if you look at their business model, right, they do not make these products and sell it directly to the consumer in the market. What they do, right, they are like a company where they provide one-stop solution for Indian as well as global brands, where they what they do, right, they offer end-to-end design, manufacturing, and supply to them. So they manufacture this product, they supply these products to these brands as per their branding, and then these brands go and sell it out in the market. So if you look at their product portfolio for Inflame Appliances, right, so their main core product is electrical chimney and cooker hood, which contributes to around 90 to 95% of the revenue, and the other product which contributes to around 5 to 10% of the revenue are hobs and cooktop and gas stove. So currently they have two manufacturing facility, one in north and one in south. So north facility, so the North India, the facility is in Haryana, called as in Panchkula facility, and in south they have the facility in Hyderabad. So as I spoke about the business model, right? So they manufacture these products, design this product, and sell it to the various brands such as Hindware, Sunflame, Kaffs, and Havells. And plus, what do they through Flipkart? They sell their own private label offering. So let's look at the recent result, what happened, and what is the company trying to do to grow, right? So obviously, this company generally releases their results in half yearly. So if anyone would have tracked this company, their YOY revenue increased by almost 44%, and PAT was up by almost 300%. So and what the company has done, that H2 is going to be almost at the same line. And the other thing, what the company is trying to do is, right, they are trying to reduce their dependence on the revenue from chimney, right? So currently it is around uh, 90 to 95%. By the year of end of FY28, they wanted to bring it down to around 55 to 65%. And you might be wondering why, if they reduce their overall contribution from there, how are they going to increase your overall revenue? So what they're trying to do, they're trying to build other kitchen appliances products like built-in hobs, dishwashers, OTG, wine coolers, built-in refrigerators. So what they're trying to do with these new products, their target is that these new products will contribute to around 30 to 35% of the overall revenue in the next couple of years. So, and the main reason that they are doing is that they want to reduce the overall risk, because if the supply for even if the chimney slightly falls down, there would be no risk in the overall revenue growth. And the other thing that they're doing is they're doing this backward integration, and they are doing 100% in-house manufacturing. They are manufacturing everything in-house, so that the product quality is as good as possible, the rejection is less than 1%, and they can give a higher warranty. And let's look at their expansion plan, right? Because if the company is trying to grow and increase their revenue, what are they trying to do? So for their Panchkula plant, right, currently the capacity, the how to say, the capacity is running at around 22,000 chimneys per month, and they want to expand it to almost 35,000 to 40K, which is almost more than 50%. So what they're trying to do for this, they are trying to do a capex of around 9 to 10 crores, which will help them to increase this capacity. So that is the first thing. Second thing is on the Hyderabad plant. So currently their capacity is around 50% utilization. And what they are targeting is like to reach it to around 80 to 90% by this, by the end of how to say, quarter one of FI 27. And the other thing is, right, in this Hyderabad plant, they're going to manufacture most of their premium products like built-in refrigerators, wine coolers, built-in ovens, and the dishwashers. Because we need to understand that these products are, how to say, high margin products, so which will automatically increase the overall revenue for the business. And if you look at the growth guidance, right? So the management is obviously in the year of FY26, they're going to grow by almost 40 to 50%. And for FY27 also, they're saying they're going to grow in the same range. But after that, they're saying is their target is to grow in the range of around 15% every year. But if you personally ask me, right, I think they are trying to be very conservative, and they can grow at a much higher rate, because the company is small. The way they are expanding is at quite a high pace. So what I think the management is trying to do, they're trying to under promise and over deliver. But obviously, we have to wait and see the H2 results, which are going to come in the month of April. So let's keep an eye. I'll keep you guys posted. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.